Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about another issue that we've been having in Jamaica, and it seems to be taking over news. Let's get into the story. It says police investigators are probing whether jealousy was the motive for Thursday's murder of a pregnant woman and her boyfriend in Bowen's Gate district near Moko, Clarendon. 27-year-old Natalie Campbell, an unemployed woman of Bowen's Gate district, and 21-year-old Javon Cole, otherwise called Alex, of Intervence Drive near Sandy Bay, were in bed when they were shot. The police said the couple was taken to the hospital where they were pronounced dead. One man, said to be the woman's ex-lover, has since been taken into police custody. These domestic disputes, these ex-lovers dispute, ex-boyfriend, ex-wife, or current boyfriend, current wife, current girlfriend situation have been very alarming, and they have been alarming since 2018 was when I first started talking about them, and they seem to be getting worse by the day. Honestly, I don't know how to say this, but Jamaican people, especially the female, need to be very, very careful of who they sleep with, okay? Because Jamaican men seem to feel like it's very easy, and I'm not saying all Jamaican men, I'm just saying some, find it very easy to kill women. I don't know if they hate women because a lot of the times these men are raised in single parent household, and the woman have to do the man's job and be both a mom and a dad and try to raise them in the right way. And I don't know if a lot of these men have resentment, have issues because of that, because as you guys know, when a woman has to do both the jobs, sometimes they do everything in excess to compensate for the man not being there, whether it's abuse, whether it's emotional, physical, psychological abuse. Just the way that they deal with the boys sometimes is very, very distasteful. But they are your mom, they gave birth to you, they had you in their belly for 9 months. You should always still try to honor them and honor women, period, because without women you would have no life. Like, I don't know if men actually understand that, believe that, and take that as a priority anymore, especially when being in a relationship. I want, like, before Jamaican men even think about going into a relationship, think about this. Think about how, if you have a daughter, if you have a mom, a sister, aunt, a cousin that you really love, how would you feel if someone in your family that you really love that's a female, how would you feel if somebody did that to them? And if you don't feel good, then it shouldn't feel good for you to do it to somebody else's daughter. Like, honestly, truly. And I don't know if we need to get more problem solving techniques or what in Jamaica, but these cases are seeming to be too much. Too many women are dying, especially in Jamaica, because of domestic disputes, and something needs to be done. I don't know if we need to have more problem solving skills, more diffusion techniques. We need to learn how to communicate better, because I know me, myself included, have a lot of communication issues just by growing up in a Jamaican culture, household, society. We have our issues, and we seem to be continuing this cycle of negativity, continuing this cycle of dysfunctional relationships that keep ending very badly, okay? Very, very badly. What are your thoughts on these situations? Because I know recently another female was killed in Montego Bay, and she was 7 months pregnant. She had a 3-year-old son that was on the bed eating curry chicken and rice while the mom was in the bathroom dead with her 7 months belly, and it was said to be her boyfriend that killed her because he is nowhere to be found and he's actually on the run. These domestic disputes are becoming too much to handle, quite frankly, and condolence goes out to everybody that have lost somebody in a domestic dispute this year. There needs to be, what I say, zero tolerance for domestic disputes in Jamaica, the same way it is in the US, and maybe it will curtail or curb the amount of women we see dying, because this is not good. And not only are women dying, they will kill the woman and kill the children also, and it will have zero effect on them. So something needs to be done, and Jamaican police don't take domestic disputes very seriously. They leave both parties in the same house to deal with their situation and go about them business. They do not take it seriously, and there needs to be some form of change, because this is too much. These are happening back to back to back to back to back. Like I said, it was just a woman in Montego Bay that was 7 months pregnant and had a 3-year-old son that was killed. Now this woman is pregnant and she is killed, and her current boyfriend, probably baby father, is killed also. Like, it's crazy. What are your thoughts in the comment section? Please give suggestions as to how we can help or decrease the amount of domestic disputes we have, or what are some solutions you would give to the Jamaican government, because we're all about problems and solution. We don't just want to talk about something just to talk about it. So please give us some solutions in the comment section. A lot of the times people feel like we talk about it but we don't give solutions. Quite frankly, a lot of the times our videos are being watched by people in very high places, and they will probably take something from our comment section or something from this video. Please comment in the comment section below. What are your thoughts? Condolence goes out to everybody that lost somebody in a domestic dispute this year, like I said. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.